In this video, I will show you how to use the where clause in Sql. So the first statement is going to be select all from my table name is the adventure dot human resources dot employee. You can see we have a lot of all the columns in the human resources employee was returned, but I just want to select I want to select where my job title is design engineer. The reason why we use where clause is probably to narrow down our database object, or what we want our table to return based on its particular value. We want to filter down by a particular value. So to do that, I'm just going to I'm going to throw in the where clause, where job title equals, I'm going to throw in my single quote. I'm going to do design engineer. I'm going to close it. Then I'm going to give it a run. So now you can see here that the job title here only returned three rows. And if you take a look at the bottom extreme right here, you can see that 3 rows, 3 records were returned. And for only the job title that has the value of design engineer. So this is how to write a where clause in Sql. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video.